Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel WhatsApp Plus subscription. Before we get started, forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! WhatsApp Plus is Meta's official premium monthly subscription for WhatsApp users. It enhances your messaging experience by allowing you to customize the app's appearance with unique themes and app icons, use spatial effects stickers, and set exclusive ringtones, and pin up to 20 important chats. So, what if you want to uh, unsubscribe or cancel subscription for WhatsApp Plus? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. From here, you can just go to your settings. You can tap on the up right corner on the three dots over here. Select on settings. There is an option subscription. You can select on that. As you can see here, my WhatsApp Plus subscription is active. You can just tap on WhatsApp Plus. Now you can just scroll down. Here's your subscription. You can check the billing details in here and also the payment method. And if you want to cancel the subscription, you can just select on cancel subscription. You can choose the reason why you want to cancel the subscription because you don't use the benefit enough, the benefits are hard to use, the cost is too high, the technical problems, or other reasons. Now, for example, we just choose on I don't use my benefit enough. You can also share your additional feedback in here. After that, you can just select on complete cancellation. You can just wait. Now you have canceled the WhatsApp subscription on your WhatsApp. And if you want to renew the subscription, you can just select on renew in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to cancel WhatsApp Plus subscription. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.